How does one wedding invite reach 500 phones without you lifting a finger for each one? Let's follow a single invite from your list to a guest's chat. It starts as one row in your guest list, a name, Arav, a number, and which side he's on. Just data. Weddingkart takes that row and fills in the template. Dear Arav, personalized, in his language with his events. It goes out through an official WhatsApp channel, not your personal number, an approved, verified sender. Seconds later, it lands in Arav's chat. Delivered. 2 grey ticks turn blue as he reads it. He taps RSVP. Yes. And that answer flows straight back into your dashboard. No spreadsheet, no chasing. Now picture that happening 500 times at once. A wall of guests turning from sent to delivered to read. And a live dashboard counting it all. Delivered, read, RSVP'd, and the few that failed, so you can check if it's a valid WhatsApp number. That's the whole machine. One import, one send, and every invite tracked end to end. That's Weddingkart. See the whole thing work for your wedding. Try Weddingkart at weddingkart.co.